The bustling city, where neon lights never dim, was where James, a 30-year-old man, once dreamed of building a solid career. He started with a small electronics store, but after a few years, due to a lack of management experience and fierce competition, his store began to lose money. James tried borrowing to save it, but things only got worse. Eventually, he was forced to declare bankruptcy. Not only did James lose all his money, but he also lost the respect of those around him. His wife, who had promised to stand by him through thick and thin, now only blamed and looked down on him. She called him incompetent, useless, and eventually left him, leaving behind an empty house and a broken heart. Friends who were once close now avoided him, even gossiping behind his back. James felt like a complete failure, with nothing left to lose. He sank into despair, not wanting to do anything or see anyone. His life felt like a boat slowly sinking into the deep sea. With no other choice, James decided to return to his hometown, where his parents lived. The small village by the river was peaceful, a stark contrast to the noise of the city. As he stepped into the old house, he saw his father, an elderly but still strong man, sitting and weaving a fishing net. "You're back, son?" his father asked, his voice gentle but full of concern. James nodded, not daring to look his father in the eye. He feared seeing disappointment in the eyes of the man he had always respected. But his father said nothing more, only stood up and said, "Come fishing with me tomorrow." The next morning, father and son went to the river. James sat on the boat, his mood heavy, not interested in fishing. He looked down at the water, feeling as if his life was drifting aimlessly like the waves. Suddenly, his father took out a chisel and began to make a small hole in the bottom of the boat. James was startled. "Dad, what are you doing?" "The boat will sink." His father didn't answer, just continued his work. Water began to seep into the boat, drop by drop. James panicked. "Dad, the boat is going to sink. We have to do something." At this moment, his father looked up, his eyes serious. "Do you see? The boat only sinks when we let the water in. If we don't act, the water will drown everything." James suddenly understood something. He looked at the hole, then at his father. "But how can we save the boat?" His father smiled. "Use your strength. Don't let difficulties or others' words defeat you. This boat is like your life. If you let negativity in, it will drown you. But if you face and overcome it, you'll find a way to repair the hole, and the boat will keep moving." From that day on, James began to change. He realized that failure was not the end, but a lesson to grow. He decided to stay in the village, helping his parents with farming and learning to manage a small farm. Gradually, he found joy in his new work. James also started reading books, learning more about agricultural business. He realized that by applying technology to production, the family farm could thrive. With his father's support, he began experimenting with new methods, from using organic fertilizers to installing an automatic irrigation system. A year later, James' farm began to turn a profit. He not only helped his family escape poverty, but also created jobs for many in the village. Those who once looked down on him now respected his transformation. James not only regained his confidence, but also found true happiness. He realized that success was not about making a lot of money or having a high social status, but about getting up after each fall and never letting difficulties defeat him. One day, James took his father to the river bank where they had once fished. He looked down at the water and smiled. "Dad, I understand now. The boat only sinks when we let the water in, and people only fail when they let difficulties defeat them." His father nodded, his eyes full of pride. "You've grown up, son. I believe that no matter how many holes appear in the boat of life, you'll find a way to repair them and keep moving forward." James looked out at the river, winding toward the horizon. He knew that the journey ahead would still have many challenges, but now he was ready to face them all. With unwavering will and belief in himself, James knew he would never be drowned by life's difficulties. Life is always full of difficulties and challenges, but we have the choice of how to face them. Don't let negative words or temporary failures defeat you. Hold on to your will, believe in yourself, and you will find the path to success. Like the boat, which only sinks when you let the water in, your life will only fail when you allow difficulties to defeat you.